What if I tell you that you can be earning money daily just by completing simple tasks on your phone? In today's video, we are going to review a new app called VOLISTA. We are going to see if VOLISTA really worth your time or not. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. In this my channel, I share about legit updates, that can fetch you income. So stick to my channel so that you'll be getting my updates back to back. So for you to register on this new app, all you need to do is just to click the link at my comment section or my description. It will take you to Play Store where you download this app. After downloading it, then it will open. Choose your Google account to open the app. Once you choose your Google account, it will bring you to this interface. Then you need to choose your gender. It is for both genders, both male and female. Then you need to put your nickname. You need to put your date of birth, and you need to select your country. Then you need to put my invitation code. Before you click the link, make sure that you have copied my invitation code first. This will help you not to start going back to look for the invitation code, because you might go and come back and you will not see this place again. So make sure that you have already copied the code before you click the link. Then you paste it here. Choose your country. If you are a Nigerian, choose Nigeria. Even if you are a Nigerian, you are living in another country, you can also choose another country. Put your profile picture. Once you sign in, on the first day you sign in, you will receive 5,000 coin. 5,000 coin. That is it. On your 7 days on the app, that is how you'll be receiving coin. On the first day, 5,000. Second day, 7,000. Third day, 11,000. Fourth day, 15,000. Just like that, and be going to your 7th day. So once you sign in, the app will open. So the next thing you need to do is to click on host center. Once you click on host center, then you'll see create agency, join agency. So click on join agency and paste my agency ID. My agency ID is also my invitation code. All right, if you want to become an agent, all you need to do is just to, after downloading the app, send me your ID so that I will invite you to become an agent. All right, so as a host, this is my agency ID for this one now that is showing on the screen. That is my agency ID. So you paste it. After pasting it, you click on apply. All right, the same name, Desire Agency. Once you apply, it will bring out my name. Are you seeing it? Then you click on confirm. You have joined my agency. I don't need to approve it. The system approves it automatically. So once this is done, you can see your dashboard. You can see your balance. Once you gift yourself, you'll see it here. The withdrawable money is diamond, while the one you used to use to gift yourself is coin. So those coins that you are accumulating, you use it and gift yourself. This app is a self-gifting app, self-gambling, self-withdrawal. Whatever you want to do on this app, you will do it by yourself. So if you want to withdraw through COINSELLER, their minimum withdrawal is $1, which is 1.5 million diamond. All right, but if you want to withdraw through official, their minimum withdrawal is from $50 if you want to withdraw through official. So make sure that if you're withdrawing through COINSELLER, make sure that you contact your COINSELLER before you place any withdrawal. Like I said, this app is a task and target app. All right, so if you want to earn very fast, if you want to be withdrawing very fast, you can do a target. You can do a target, and here is where you will find your tags. Once you come to your home page, you click on that treasure box that it will open like this. You have personal tags and room tags. So these are the gifts that you will need to receive. When you sit on my for 30 minutes, you receive 2,000. When you sit on my for 1 hour you receive 5,000, which is 7,000. These are other ones when you gift yourself up to 100,000, 200,000, 1 million. They also have reward that you can get, okay, when you gift yourself all these things. One thing I love about this app is that whatever you gift yourself, they will also give you a cash back. Are you seeing that place, a right gate? So when you're in your room now and gift yourself, come here and claim coin here. Yes, there is cashback coin that you will get here. Not only this, when you gift yourself, the platform give you 20% back of whatever you gift yourself. All right, so this personal tax you're seeing here now, this 60k, for you to be receiving this 60k, you need to purchase coin of 500,000 coins, not naira. 500,000 coins in naira is roughly 1,400 naira. I don't know if you're own currency in your own country. So purchase 500,000 coins, then this 60,000 will unlock and you'll be claiming it every day. So this is about personal tasks. When you bet game, when you gamble, when you gift yourself, when you give someone, there are so many rewards that you will receive. If you have watched this video to this time, thank you very much. That means that you love this channel so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, turn on your notification so that you will not miss any of my legit update. All right, so let's continue. So for you to enter your room, once you click on your home page, you will see once you click on any of these go now, yeah, it will bring you, it will show something up that looks like house. Yeah, so that is where you will click to enter your room. Are you seeing it? That house here now, that is where you will click. Once you click it, it will enter, take you to your room. You allow the mic, you allow the audio. Yeah, once you allow, you click on any of the mic there and sit down. All right, so they have games. There, the numerous games, as you can see it. Just choose any of your choice that you know that will be returning for you and be playing. This is their gift. The first one is for gifting. The second one is for CP, close friend. The third one is lucky gift. Their lucky gift is returning. I've tried it. Their game is returning. I've tried it. So you can make your choice if it is game or gambling that will be returning for you. So you just try it out with their free coins. All right, so anything you gift yourself, like I said, let's assume you gift yourself 100,000 coin here, you will receive 20,000 coin cash back. Just imagine when you gift yourself like 500,000, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, you know how much you will get in cash back. So guys, that is all about VOLISTA app. All right, disclaimer, this video is just for educational purpose. I'm sharing my experience on the apps that I'm working. Make sure that you make your own research before joining any app. All right, so guys, that is all about VOLISTA app. Feel free to ask your question if you have. All right, so this is for coin, and you can also purchase VIP or SVIP. They also have reward in that reward center I showed you guys. They have so many rewards that you can be claiming every day. Okay, yeah, so that's all about it. You can stay in your room and perform your tasks. You can stay in your agency room, in your friend room, anywhere you can stay and perform your tasks. Like I said, it's a task and target app. You withdraw through COINSELLER and official withdrawal. Yeah, thank you guys and remain blessed. It's still your girl selling. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, turn on your notification so that you'll not miss any of my updates. Ciao guys, see you all in my next video. So I forgot to say something. The app also have room reward. Yeah, have room reward. Gift, their lucky gift is 10%, their room reward is 20%, and their have gift cash back. Yay!